going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
to those who purchased the Three Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because as we can see right now, we have the first quarter main event. And we know they're going to ride this towards the end of the year. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Right now, the market is slightly up. But guys, we're going to have a big pullback. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates. And as we can see, they're now permanently above 2%. And then, of course, we have volume. We have Tether. We have USDC. Now, we had Bank of America says Silvergate is one of the best companies to benefit from the use of stable coins. Now, guys, we know stable coins are the foundation of crypto. But when you're talking about investing, guys, do not be lazy. So basically, if we look at the investors of Silvergate Capital, we see Vanguard, we see Morgan Stanley, we see BlackRock. So what does the Crypto Teacher tell you? To follow the money. And guys, remember, you can easily look up different stocks and see who's actually invested if you're not lazy. And do your own research. It would definitely pay off. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed. We know this first rate hike was priced in. But guys, they're going to be raising rates at least 7 times. And then on top of it, rolling off this balance sheet. So make sure you're paying attention to the actual repo on a daily basis. It's so important. But as liquidity shrinks, we know the American economy is going to shrink, but it's all planned. They're going to slowly move in all this automation while the American economy has been destroyed. And guys, remember, they always do different tests in different countries before they bring it here. So we know China is the blueprint, and also Japan is a blueprint. Remember my Society 5.0 videos. They brought the Japan leaders to California to discuss the fourth industrial revolution. We see Japan's population falling and the rise of robots. The same way in America, our population is falling. So what are they going to do? Do immigration and bring in robots. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. And then also, guys, Grayscale. We know the Grayscale, well, they move lockstep with the Fed. Guys, this is all manipulation. As long as you're paying attention to the moving pieces, and then also grayscale's allocations, and also the Bitcoin spot ETF that they're trying to get approved. We have to stay up to date with that. And then also, guys, we know the next 2 weeks we're going to have a roller coaster ride. We're going to have futures, and then, of course, we have open interest. And don't forget, CME is doing Bitcoin and Ethereum micro options on March 28th. So the casino just keeps getting bigger, and that should definitely help us with open interest. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Goldman Sachs completes first OTC crypto option trade with Galaxy Digital. And guys, we know everything is timing. Goldman Sachs is coming in on the casino right when we're about to go into the bear market. And we know with these big banks, they like to take your money. Now we have El Salvador seems to delay its volcano bond launching. And like I told you before, it would be delayed. We know El Salvador was chosen for a reason. We know this is all part of a movie. Only thing we have to do is sit back and let things play out. Now we have Gemini wins Irish electronic money license. Also, we have FTX launches in Australia. And we definitely see FTX moving crypto adoption. There is no question about it. We can clearly see the New World Order's agenda. And lastly, guys, we have real health benefits will come when medicine and a metaverse collide. And we know majority of these drug companies are getting trademarks in the metaverse, the virtual world. And if you asked me 20 years ago, would the New World Order be able to get away with something like this? I would tell you it would be no chance. But because this nation is completely asleep, they are knocked out. They are moving fast forward. And then once the New World Order drops that carrot, that free money, we know it's game over. The sheep will be asleep forever. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher, and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're the cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day. Powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.